Model, 58-plate BMW X3 Diesel Estate 2.0 DM Sport 5DR, 177, very clean motor. Needs alternator smile. Body, black 4x4. Mileage, 137195. Engine, 1995 CCN4 7D3000. Transmission, 6-speed manual 4-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfectly with a jump pack, runs perfect, gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Battery light on the dash. Needs alternator replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features, electric windows, parking sensors, start-stop, air-con, cruise control. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401